What's happening, gang? SEJB here with another episode of Chaleo Power, the real hustle for investing, especially if you are a beginner, if you're learning. We're no gurus over here, so anything you hear in these videos is strictly my opinion, no advice, no financial advice, and so on. So I just wanted to make a quick video on how much money I made this year swing trading from my small account and my medium-sized account. No BS, straight numbers, and how we did it. All right, I'm gonna try to make it short because I tend to speak a lot. But for 2021, you can see that the S&P 500 finished at 27%. So if you would have invested some money early in the year, for my beginners out there, left it alone, didn't look at it, now you would have had 27% gains of your original investment. That being said, for our small account, we did so right now for a small account we finish at 107% of the year performance. So right now we emptied this account, and raw was about $3,000, which is 107% of profit. And I say profit because it's already secured for the year. I took it out, cleaned out the account, left it only with $200, which is with Apple share. But right now you can see that it's clear, ready for another challenge. I usually use this small account for trading challenge, aggressive to medium trading challenges. In 2020, I did a challenge starting from, I think it was like $200 or something, and 200 to 2K, and we pushed that account past the 2K, so it was pretty good. But that's it. That's a good performance for anyone, I would say. For the most part, we did this swing trading, strong names that we considered were going to make a big move, like Apple, the Nvidias, and some of the studies that we had. We post in our channel, we post in the social medias, but everything starts with a quick analysis on, pattern identification, what's going to happen, some levels of stop loss, where we think it's going to bounce. So for example, look at Apple, strong fundamentals. This is from MarketSmith. You can find this information on Google for free. Finviz also provides all the information. So then if you can see Apple, we posted Apple at below the 140, 142, and as you can see right now, Apple went crazy. So if you look at Apple in the 140, this is where we set, hey, pay attention to this pattern with stop loss, low risk. And boom, it exploded to a massive gain. So yep, we took advantage of that. Right now, discussed it with the team. You can see Apple call me crazy, but I'm still buying. Good all resistance, potentially becoming new support. So again guys, not everything is 100%. So that's why you want to have a strong risk management. And you can see that the stop loss, even before you enter a position, you need to have a range where if things don't go your way, you are going to get the heck out, right? So if Apple would have cracked this support level, we would have exit. Another strategy that we implement and we do is you can buy a starter here and let it play out. And once it confirms a candle over candle, we talk a lot about that. You keep adding, you pyramid up, and just secure your profits. Another big runner, you can see the same patterns for Trex. If we look at it right now, so we called out Trex at 104. Again, this was mid-year, but some of these names, again, we've been following since start of 2021. And look, in the 100, 104, it cracked. We wait, and then once it goes back to the ascending triangle, boom. Same here with the fundamentals, and same for NVIDIA. Strong fundamentals, NVIDIA giving an entry opportunity. Those who missed the last run could enter here. And if we look at NVIDIA again real quick, NVIDIA was called at 208. This right here, look what I said, NVIDIA giving an entry opportunity for those who missed it last time. Don't chase after it's gone. Support, blah, blah, blah. Stop loss below the 200. So if you can see here, and guess what it did? Boom, it exploded. That being said, look at the strong fundamentals that we had. We post and discuss what everything means. So that's that. That was, we made some pretty good calls. Swing calls, and the difference from a swing to a day trade is I have day-to-day responsibilities. Unfortunately, I may not be in front of my phone or computer. So we plan ahead of time, and that's key, right? If you have jobs, kids, whatever, you're busy, you plan this range, specific entries and exits, you have a plan moving forward, right? So, and you can program your system to give you alerts, or my main account is in Thinkorswim, but I use Robinhood. But if you use Thinkorswim, you have the OCOs, order cancel orders, that they are fancy enough that you can automate every movement. You can say, if it goes down, sell. If it goes up, buy. And you don't even need to buy and wait like you have to do it in Robinhood manually, right? But that's for another video. I think I made a video on that. But if you can see, look at it, AMD too. AMD was called out early 2021. We called it out here. That was mid-year 105. Look, old resistance becomes new support here. It breaks, then again, old resistance becomes new support. So high probability that it goes down back and confirm the new support, and boom. So confirming the new support, that's when we called it out with stop loss below the range here, and bam, exploded. And that's how we made a lot of money. So that being said, again, this is a small account. We ended up above 100, which is pretty good. And then $3,000 for the year, cha-ching. And now for the medium-sized account, I will log in real quick. Hey, everything is relative. We finished the year at 37% from our original investment. So this, I took some money out. This was at almost $61,000. But for the year, I would say we made about so about 18, almost $19,000. And hey, that's not bad. That's not bad. It's, again, SPY finished the year at 27%, and we are still, right now the account is moving flat because I'm almost 100% in cash, actually 100% in cash. And my last trades here were Apple, some rent collection on Apple, and flat account. So far so good, doing pretty good. Again, 37%. And going back to how we did it, strictly swing trading, I would say 90% of the time swing trading, where we have opportunities that we identify and post ahead of time to have a plan. So have a plan before. These are things in the making right now that I post and share with my team. But you review the fundamentals. If things are looking good, market are looking good, then you have your range. You have your support and resistance. If things don't go, again, a lot of people complicate themselves with, I'm not opposed to fancy strategies and none of that. That's fine. But stick to the price action, volume, support, resistance. To me, that's the foundation for everything. That's simple. You can do it. If you enter a position and you have your stop loss at certain respect, then you can always go back in if it goes back in, right? There are plenty of videos made on how to set your stop losses and the percentage and this and that. I keep it super simple, and respect your stop losses. But if it continues to move in your favor and the market is favorable, you continue to add, you pyramid up and you ride that wave. We usually follow the CanSlim from O'Neill and the IBD group. Go study it. There are a lot of good videos on YouTube, pretty good stuff. But again, once the market is contributing, once the market is behaving well, you follow the patterns. There are certain patterns that have high probabilities, and you're going to make money or lose money if you don't respect your rules. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna cut it short here, but thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, help out with the YouTube algorithm. 37% and 107%. I'll throw some numbers here and make it a total, but congrats to us. This is not easy. It takes discipline, studying, and a good team, a good group. I wouldn't be able to do this without, my team, small family, small community, but we all help out each other and yell at each other if somebody's doing stupid stuff. So peace out. 2022, enjoy your year. I'm going to make a video on strong names that I think are going to be a good investment long-term in swing trading for 2022. So stick around, subscribe, and stay green. Peace out.